Hey everyone, my name is Karil Nikdao, and in this video I will be showcasing experiment number 6 out of 6 from my experiments series for my physical computing portfolio. Now this experiment will be a sequence game based out of the famous Simon Says game. So basically you memorize the sequence of the lights and you have to press the button according to the sequence of those lights. So for that experiment, we will be needing the Arduino device. I'll be using the Arduino Uno. And we'll need the long breadboard. We'll also need 4 buttons, 1 for each LED. We'll also be using resistors. Now I'll be using the 330 ohm resistor and the 10k ohm resistor. Now we'll also need the buzzer. And of course the LEDs. And the male-to-male jumper wires. Now these are all the components that we will be using to create this sequence game. Now let's put them all together. First, we'll set up the LED on the breadboard and connect the resistor to it and the button as well. And then we'll connect the 10k ohm resistor to the button and the ground part of the breadboard. So this is how it's supposed to look like. There. Now let's do the same for the rest of the LEDs and the rest of the buttons. Okay, now that all the LEDs and all the buttons are connected, all the resistors are connected as well, let's now connect the buzzer to the breadboard. Now we'll connect the Arduino device to the breadboard using the jumper wires. So we'll connect the 5 volts pin to the volts part of the breadboard and the ground pin to the ground part of the breadboard. After that, we'll connect each LED to the ground and then connect the button to the 5 volts to give it power. So all the buttons are connected to the 5 volts, all the LEDs are connected to the ground. We'll also connect the buzzer to the ground, and now we'll be connecting the buttons as inputs to the corresponding pins. So I will be using pins number 11 to 9. So I'll be connecting the buzzer to the Arduino as well. I'll be connecting it to pin number 5. So this is our completed circuit. So let's pull up the code right here. This is the code that I will be using to power this game. Basically, as I've said before, this game is based on memory. So the Arduino or the code will show you what light or what LED to press. So it will light up the LED first, and then after that you have to press the button corresponding to that LED. So let's give it a try. So let's upload the code to the Arduino. Let's connect the Arduino to the computer and upload the code. Now it's blinking here, but the blue LED does not seem to be working. So let's quickly change that. Maybe that LED is busted, and it's still not blinking. Okay, I've connected the blue LED to the wrong pin, so now it should be working perfectly fine. Now let's connect the Arduino to the computer again, and there you see the LED is blinking. Now let's play the game. It's kind of hard to press the buttons because of all the wires that are in the way, but we'll make it work. Yeah. Alright, so this is the last experiment for this portfolio. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you guys for watching.